Welcome! In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to remove your relationship status on Facebook using your PC. With the latest updates to Facebook's interface, the process is simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, and then select View Profile to access your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile page, locate the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored. Click on it to proceed. Now, within the About section, find and click on Family and Relationship from the menu on the left-hand side. This will take you to the area where your relationship status is displayed. To make changes, look for the edit icon next to your current relationship status. It usually appears as a small pencil or pen symbol. Click on it to open the editing options. From here, you can choose a new status or simply remove it altogether. If you want to remove it, select a blank option or set it to None. Once you've made your choice, click Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your relationship status has now been removed from your Facebook profile. This update won't notify anyone in your network, so it's a discreet way to manage your privacy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next video.